But after you go to the process, you can see how practical it is. I had some experience with art therapy, so it is very related to art therapy, but I think it's more than that. The picture helps to know your unconscious without any fear. So the picture helps your unconscious to bring out something from your unconscious, and it do it easily without put a lot of pressure. It's a kind of method that is very quick, so you can reach the answer or solution very quick. That's the most important thing that I love it about the KEG cards. I can say it is incredible technique. I love it, and I want to buy it and use it because I'm life coach. I love it.
Thank you very much.